So review a little bit. What causes hair loss? So I showed you last time, and I will repeat it this time. And scientists think that the major reason that we lose the hair is because of accumulation of dihydroxytestosterone. In other words, one of our sex hormones, testosterone, is converted by the enzyme that's called alpha, 5-alpha reductase. And remember these names because we are going to repeat it again and again. DHT is short for dihydroxytestosterone. And 5-alpha reductase is the enzyme that produces DHT from testosterone. It's bound to a receptor and it's causing hair loss. So this is the molecule testosterone. And when it's being reductase, oxidized, then we have dihydroxytestosterone. So you see the structure. So the overall process is a little bit complex, but let me simplify it. And simplify to show you what are we targeting actually. So testosterone is converted to DHT through the enzyme 5-alpha reductase. Then the DHT is combining with the androgen receptor. It's a protein, and now it can affect the hair loss. So this is simplicity of this issue. But DHT is important not only for hair loss, okay? It's also important to regrow hair. Like this is how men have facial hair, for example, and other signs of maturity. So DHT is a critical molecule. It's a hormone that is affecting multiple processes and is required for healthy life. So what the science started, the pharmaceutical science, is focused on what? First, they focused on blocking DHT. So DHT cannot combine with the androgen receptor. And then this other aspect were to block the enzyme itself. So the enzyme will not produce DHT. This is the concept of the pharmaceutical concept of handling the problem. And for that purpose, we have all kinds of products on the market, like finasteride, that's also called Propecia. It's the same name for the same material. And you see that some people are using minoxidil and even minoxidil in combination with finasteride, although finasteride is only effective when you take it in a pill. The data that I saw, topical shows no effect. But some people are still using it, and definitely not in the US. So we also know that there is multiple side effects to this drug because this drug is targeting the enzyme. It's blocking the enzyme, preventing the enzyme from producing DHT. And we know this is one kind of side effect. They're all related to sexual side effects. So taking this drug has an effect. About 30% of the men have an effect, and this is side effect. You see here, different people are providing information about what are the side effects of finasteride. So we all understand this is a drug, number one, you need prescription. It's not through our channels, which are cosmetic channels, and it has side effects. Now, what we want is to offer something better, safer, and less side effects.